Here's another great RV from Gerzeny's RV World of Florida.
Hi, this is Megan. I'd like to show you the River-Surveyor Legend-202RBLE.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
Be sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to see new videos. You'll find there's a world of difference when you buy from family-owned and operated Gerzeny's RV World, with 4 convenient locations in Nokomis, Lakeland, Bradenton, and Fort Myers. With over 1,000 new and used RVs, you're sure to find the right RV at the right price right now.